Hello everyone, I am Walt, and today we will be talking about viral content, rather, with our fifth unit here in internet psychology, covering a lot of material about broadcasting via the internet. We're primarily going to be talking about in these next two video series, kind of part for Unit 5, a little bit shorter of a unit here, about some viral content, what gets content to go viral, and then of course going to be talking about fake news next time. Okay, so viral content here. First up, so what makes content go viral? Well, it's got three main steps. It's got to be emotionally salient, it's got to be something that people can connect to, and it's got to be surprising. Okay, those are the three elements of viral content, as I have linked up some of the materials below in the description. So check out some of those if you want the specifics there. But otherwise, basically, a lot of content can be broadcast via the internet, whether people want it to be, spread widely or whether people do not, okay? You can have plenty of things that get spread that people don't want spread, either that are bad for them or things that they just intended only for one or two other people and instead get seen by millions of people. Then on the other hand, you can have stuff that people want to be seen by many, many people and ends up successfully being seen by people. And then of course you can have content you want to have go viral and it doesn't go viral. Yeah, so then the question is, why do these three categories pan out? Okay, emotionally salient. So you need your content to be emotional because people connect to things emotional. If people are not entertained on the internet, they're going to find something else that's entertaining. So do not bore your audience too much unless they are looking for something that is going to be, a little more humdrum. Even then, you want to make it a little bit more exciting, So that's a biggie. Another piece, of course, is that you want to connect to people, okay? You need to have some kind of connection, something people can connect to. If something seems emotionally interesting, but people can't connect to it, they can't think that this makes any sense, then they're not going to want to have this shared and spread. And of course, it needs to be surprising, because people like a good surprise. Bam! Like a little surprise to the content. Anywho, these are things to consider. Also things I should really consider for spicing up my own content in the future here. But for the meantime here, broadcasting via the internet, those are the three main things when it comes to getting content to go viral. Now, you don't want to be spreading bad messages or getting other people's content to go viral that's going to make them look bad and stuff like that. So it's really a better thing to go after content and to only click on things that are going to be, valuable to that kind of stuff. But we're all humans, so none of us are perfect on any of that kind of stuff either. Anywho, with that said, that's about it for our first part here about what gets content to go viral. Check out some of those articles and materials I have below if you want to learn more information. Otherwise, I will see you guys next time with the next video. Stay tuned. I'll see you then.